Blessed Sigma, the world drowns in...
Epa lagunok ongetorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongetorri Warhammeren Times Vermintide. Honetara mi esker nire jarraitzaileak zareten guztioi, esker ez dakizunei eta ez dakizunei ere zuek gabe hau ez litzatekelako berdina izango. Eta hemen daukazu Markus Ulfar, gure eiztari maitea, eta jokatuko dugu gaur azaroaren 8an izan den aktualizazioa mapa berri bat, eta badirudi gauzatxo berriak ere badauzkagula. Aktualizazioa izan ditzateke dut modu bat, baina rendu egin gabe.
Something's got Eye King Thorgrim roused. Means to strike every grudge remaining in his great book. That's going to mean a thumping. Better check I don't owe him coin.
Egiten eta bar irazten zoaz diru kantitate bat. Eta abar, eta horrekin erosi ditzakezue gauza ezberdinak.
Suit yourself.
A ver, hemen misioa heroiak bueno, baina hau da jokoak mapak eta hori azten dituzunan balortzen dituzu helburu batzuk, baina hau izango litzateke beste nivel bat, baina ez jokoaren lorpen guztiak lortu balizateko. Horregatik jongo gara ona. Jaitsiko duk bat lehen da biziko partidurako, eta hemen eta orain aurrari bueno, bai potxakin joan beharko gara.
Here I am, a peerless and perfect daughter of Lorraine, shackled to the whims of some mayfly. To wit, we're playing convoy escort in the freezing cold, all to deliver a runestone to some miserable lumberfoot village. If it wasn't Alicia who'd asked, I'd have refused. Almost certainly. Well, probably.
Eta batzen dugu mapa honetan. Hau izango litzateke jokoaren zati bat. Eta gero gongo litzateke datorren urtean jokoaren bigarren zatia. Eta horretaz aparte geldituko litzateke zienaren urraino zonaldea.
Like a bolt of holy lightning! Fall by my righteous hand! Is that it? You know, up on the ropeway.
All right then, my bold heroes. Time to play Curiouses.
The traitors stuck. There's nothing to go our way. There has to be a way to get it down.
Disgusting little bomb. Shield vermin hiding among them.
Ocean's going down me gob. Come on, Glory! Still roaming among them.
That's right.
Come on, you take the brunt, Grizrazzi! Hop rat! Mind! Hook rat!
The avalanche wasn't all bad. Oh, look at the state of them.
Here they come!
That sure there wasn't. If that elf goes out to clear a path, I'll give her that.
Let the weeds be up ahead! So many kills, Trevor! Is that valor or desperation? Same here, you all right?
Rattling bullets walk by. Stand ready, Dory. A what fire thrower? Don't let it shoot.
Is that all? I was hoping for an explosion. Maybe next time. Get this target off me! Balance gun!
That sleigh might be the very thing to assist in moving the crate.
Put your backs into it. Gleaming one. Come on, down here.
It's been a real change of pace for me, this. I don't get out as much as I should.
Stand clear of that hook.
I'm ready for you. The gas! Watch out! Look out! That wind blew straight from the false moon. Move, Marvin! We're in that comedy combat!
Vale, desde el robot no va a darle alta.
Medical supplies here.
Rattling gun!
I think it's this way. Elden hammer. on, manling Umgak. At least it's down.
So, that is our destination.
Rattling guard, move!
Packmaster's dead!
No! Well, fine, so that's how it is.
And you're the gas rat!
I can't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Bridge. Dozens, I played.
Hoggers here. Wait a minute. 2 known regiments vanished without trace.
They bring what fire to the battle?
Gas rat dead.
Hold up! Need to patch a wound. Well, I'm sure the sleigh will be waiting for us. Somewhere.
I'm starting to get suspicious about that sleigh.
I hear a war patrol.
I am a child of Athel Lauren. I'm not vested by warp contraptions.
Shield and axe! Thick as the scum on the right.
You'd test an elf, shield rat.
There must be some mechanism to retrieve the crate. Stop that! Stand ready!
The cogs are missing. I wonder if they're still around.
You're a poor assassin, rat man.
A valiant and stalwart soul, Ruba served well.
That's all you've got! Give us that war! Hey, here's where the action is! Watch out! Over here! I test my promise.
Markusekin jokatzeko keda daukagun.
I like a good bit of rain, or I would, if the roof weren't leaking. According to Alicia, the villagers of Tokstad have commissioned a warding stone from Karak Asgaraz. Keeps the ghosties at bay, you know. Only they're worried about it getting through. The Grey Mountains ain't exactly safe. That's where you come in. Meet the convoy, strut your stuff, and all will be well. Better get to it.
Vale.
Oh, I'll get you for that! By the hammer!
That sleigh did not run far.
Shield vermin!
Bandages, tinctures, and medicine.
Gotcha! It looks very nice up there and all, but we need it down here. It's not Bugman's, I'll tell you that.
Healing draft. I can continue so long as the bindings hold.
Find the cogs, and maybe you can get this thing working.
Backstabber! Shield up! One pillar of the Empire reporting position.
Lock their throats, Cooper.
I can't get free!
Assassin rat.
We must fight at our hands now!
Which eye do you want this in?
So much for that assassin!
Not exactly a soft landing, was it?
Hope Tokstad isn't far. That looks heavy.
There's a backstabber scampering nearby.
Yeah! Move softly into your failure, assassin.
Sneaky ratty, dead and gone. Back like that! Give the gunners a moving target. Guard me!
Bougadir, hold your breath and shield your eyes.
I've seen scores die in a single person.
Light through! Strangler comes! You should kill it swiftly. Pack after done.
Keep it up, soldier.
Horton, over here!
Come me, place.
Let me bind that way, Watcher.
Did no one think to hold on to this loop? Do you not feel there's something strange about all this?
Our existence lately is a series of
Follow me! Kill the fire rat, Ringbrady, while you still can! Crook! That ratling's about to fire! Potion! Don't waste it! Little scar, Azungi. You look rakish. Blood everywhere, and another one's gone.
Down here! Ash, poison, the wisp of vermin. We've a warp fire thrower to deal with.
feeble fire rat. My righteousness burns the brighter.
You reckon you got your doorway with that? Hook rat's dead. Ammunition here! We got the strangler! Hang about! Let me stick my leg back on.
I do believe you're getting better at this, dwarf.
Aye, well, takes a few battles to get everything flowing the way it should. Plague monks, and they're coming for us! In the name of Sigmar!
Rattling gun!
Get around, you dog! Face it head on! Caution here. I can't vouch for the taste.
There's a fire rat nearby.
Slay that fire rat! Quickly! Nicely done, Dory. The Sarton won't bother us now. Craggy, kill that runner!
No more kills for you, assassin.
Vale.
There's the village. Doesn't look worth protecting if you ask me.
Belong now.
And the village disappears. Of course it does.
Who dares trifle with a servant of Sigmar?
A lucky shot, that's all.
Storm vermin with a shield! Flash it out!
Poacher's surprise coming right up.
Almost precise enough for an elf. A drunk, blind elf.
Medical supplies at last!
Is it too much to ask for a moment of respite?
I'm opening the crates. Don't try to stop me.
Holy shit.
You should probably listen to what I have to say.
You think I didn't know all that noise you were making?
I can't believe she tricked me. Oh, I'll never live this down.
There never was a village of Tokstad. Well, not for years. It was a concealment for my tower. But now some thieving wizardling has stolen what was mine and called forth this snowstorm to keep us out. Flame must be carried to the urns for the ritual to begin.
Over
Once
there,
that's
Lumberfoots.
done, we can
Chaos
set about
Warrior.
claiming my home.
Buggers won't see this.
Right, brother! Kill it dead!
Mind your wounds, sir. You ain't worth much dead.
Extra barrels.
You're bloody cookie! I'll be back. Got the arm of these Grisnaki dukes, just like I told you.
Kill the madman.
Ah! So it's Grisnaki duke now, is it? Ah!
Can't see me now.
Inspiring connection! You! Watch us, them! Ah!
underwater ale right before a fight.
Deflect that strike, Matilda!
So many! Even I cannot prevail.
Another light away! You need patching up, Mickey.
White storming Mayflies.
Sorcerer squirrels cannot howl without their master.
Trolls are slow and stupid. Keep moving and it'll not land a blow. No, not yet.
You seem sluggish now. Can you still fight?
Yeah, that bloody earth. Look out! Just like that.
Time to get another torch.
Gold breathing! Finish it off! Eyes open, guide me! Fuels my power. It shall fuel you also. One less sleep!
Mother! A berserker now!
Cannot fight the storm. Feel it, creator!
Kill the crushing black storm of the
Yes.
Get yourselves another torch. Come on.
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using?
Heal for that! Get us no use then! Rufus down! Stop! Rattling gun! No more wings from that! The Black Stormer, that is. Always works, that. Well, fine, so that's how it is.
Cannot hide. Ah, such a vile thing. It's going to heave. Leech, don't be a victim, Mayflies. The Light Stormers were picked.
Presente otro mapa,
That's the trouble with elves. Can't hold the liquor. Out there! Shaggy! Kill it! Kill it now!
That sorcerer must die if the storm is to cease.
Listen, Blightstormer!
Come, finish me if you dare.
I'm surprised you can stand without me. I'll hold them, long as my shield holds. Drinking? Only hurts when I laugh, and when I breathe. Those wounds don't look good to some kid.
Listen,
Just
assassin!
another!
The assassin meets a deserved death!
Yes. Joder.
Warm on me, Doric! We'll take the Kazaki all together!
Watch and learn, mates. This is how it's done.
Chestnut! Donut! Hear me now!
Dwayling, sir.
That's it. Make for the tower.
Oh, don't take on so. Why don't you come up and say hello? I like guests.
Hang about. That ain't Sienna, is it?
Siena baldin bada oso txarto gaude.
Yes. Alas, it is Sophia of Wagonassus who holds my tower. Her schemes must be stopped. We cannot face her unrested. Link hands, and we shall return home.
Irazi dugu kostata.
Blessed Sigmar. Someone set the Black Grail loose in Bretonia. I thought we'd put a stop to that. get used to keeping odd hours in this job. Seems like an old mate of mine has been whispering in Balthazar Gelt's ear. Wonder what they're talking about.
It hadn't escaped me.
Calls you peasant too, I notice.
Do you have a point to make, Master Dwarf?
Vale, voy a hacer.
Turns out Alicia's having trouble extending the Bridge of Shadows into certain areas around Helmgard. She's traced the disturbance to an old elven temple north of here. I need you to put things right. Otherwise, you're going to be walking everywhere and we just won't have time for that.
Stride with purpose. The temple is surely held against our coming.
Searching for Helgi Umgak? Is this what my life's come to? That potion might be handy. Drop a bit of wilderness, this could use a roll. And a tavern.
Hack him down! Strangler! Over there, kill it! Assassin, bring him down! That's no ordinary flame! Look out!
Over here! Easy pickings for you! Only a doorway! The backside! Test my drum reel! Go! Let my shield take the front trick on him!
One-Eye, you must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily in their presence.
Yes, we often hate those who remind us of ourselves.
We know that for Ratoga! Ha! That's how it's begun! You heretics! Take you serve righteousness! Oi! What the? Try again! The wizard proves the wisdom of the mind.
You're the one to look at here!
The light feel no pain!
Dos ondas igual, Listo, muy fácil.
At least the sun is shining, eh?
Missioa egin da urtente zuet txelina.
Turns out Alicia's having trouble extending the Bridge of Shadows into certain areas around Helmgard. She's traced the disturbance to an old elven temple north of here. I need you to put things right. Otherwise, you're going to be walking everywhere and we just won't have time for that.
Let us be on our way. The temple cannot be far.
This place hails from happier times, before kinstrife and malice soured my people.
Like a bolt of holy lightning!
Never have I seen such a display.
Ammunition trove, if you're in need.
Not a bad place, all told. Shame about the bracky.
Down this way!
Reaches where your hit cannot, Strangler.
The backstabber is slain! Ha! Strangler strangles no more!
I've never understood the rift between elves and dwarves.
Put it this way. It's not so much the original betrayal that's the problem, not that we can get it.
Naturally.
But we could perhaps put it to one side with the remote
Sigmar Wilson!
Not bad one, eh? You must truly hate them.
They are heretics, conquerors, and cruel beyond measure. Hate flows easily in their presence.
Yes, we often hate those who remind us of ourselves.
Bueno, a ver. Si viene su tiro van a avanzar.
Good. Feet are planted. Now let's crush them. Give a good arm, Gringy. Fire it.
Idiots!
See that arm of the toxin? It's all yours. Here, try this bomb. Bombs away! From the company! Skewers, strangles, no more! Rakiguna! Come here! Stand all you can! The also fly! Oh, mighty! No stopping you, is there, Salad? I'm in trouble here! The hunter's down! You had worse than this, Gringy!
Over here! Come on!
I am lost. Lost beyond words.
You're in a bad way, Matilda. It hurts.
May I remind you, you are not invincible, dwarf? The day begins as it means to continue, I see.
Miserably!
I'll not waste a drop.
Pero ni que se de la persona es harto.
We've slain an assassin!
Follow! I know the way! Bugger! A hook
Bouvier, hold your breath and shield your eyes.
Vile thing!
I'm a better pyromancer than healer.
Ha! Ratmen and Northlanders alike fear us!
Ya no se escaraba.
Look out! Fire that!
No further! They fire!
See, Mayflies? That Walkcaster wasn't so bad.
I have found ammunition!
Nothing stopped us, what does it?
No, ni pues no se escape con un sitio muy arreglado.
Gloveniers down. I like trees as much as the next doorway, but these are showing off. Glory be, a potion!
These trees! So majestic!
Follow me!
Oi, vaida. Voisin niin podžiauna.
Rakizar! That's flame! They bring wildfire to the battle! Keep moving! Look and weave, Dory! The gunner's dead!
Ammunition here. A shame fouling this place with tainted blood.
Come on! Still here? Just take a swing! That's all you've got! Push up more! Have a grandmother!
By the way! Come, body stabber! Feast me, bleed to bleed!
Joder, Buah.
I'll give you one for free! You stink stronger than you strike! Not enough, either in numbers or effort! More!
Oh, ratties! Just because you put a flag on it doesn't mean it's yours.
The weave calls me back.
You're a bit pale, Brilliant.
Listen, assassin!
I thought you lot were immortal.
Fire that! See?
Over there!
Fare thee well, fire rat.
The assassin meets the deserved death!
Disease fanatics!
Make way! Stop over here!
Go on! Again! I can take it! You hit like gobbles, the lot of you! Gas! Hold your breath!
Not a good sign. Stand well back.
A broken waystone? That's not good! That's a fine view, Glengarazzi, but we've business elsewhere!
Can't feel my hands.
Weak water, that's the trouble. Now, great bait for a good dory, mate. Keep the strangler back and kill it. Cook! Assassin!
That packmaster will trouble us no more.
Hooked again, dwarf. You better. Packmaster's dead. A gutter runner. Are you ready, mate?
Daggy's dead! You're welcome! Blood everywhere, and another one's gone!
Die now, would you prove me right, Wagonassus?
Might have been impressive once, but no longer.
If I die, return me to the soil.
You look half dead, Witelgi.
Almost precise enough for an elf. A drunk, blind elf.
Where things are going, we could use one of those gods of yours, Witelgi. Any chance of that?
Those who remain would as gladly skewer a dwarf as a skaven.
There's no need for that.
And how would your vaunted Grimnir look upon my kind?
With mercy, if you showed deference.
Deference? To a bearded lunatic.
On second thoughts, maybe it's best to read ancestors and gods out of this.
Aye, indeed.
Ha! The fire that dies!
Try to stop falling down, Varden.
Good Saddy, the dead Saddy. Gas racket. Can't you hear the rasp of his lungs?
Incoming!
Gloverdier's down!
The water runner is near.
Get this rat bastard off me!
The temple's been torn apart.
Come on, go to the flame!
No, la basta.
Oh, grab whatever ammunition you need!
Luego sendatzeko gauza.
Healing draft. Don't squander it.
One moment. There's enough here to bind me head to toe.
Hold on, mayflies. I'm going to drink. Aye, that's it, mayflies. Ash, poison, a wisp of vermin. We've a warfire thrower to deal with. Ha! It's to be numbers against skill again.
I can feel the Elgi magic flowing over me. Get it away! By the order, plague monks! You think pain will stop me?
Eso.
Packmaster done. Get out of the way, Lumberfoot! Ah, the stink of it. There's a scryer out close.
Try again. Hard. Right here! Give me a good shot!
I'll burn anything that crosses our path.
Plague vermin, the worst of their kind.
Rest up, Grimgy. Regather your strength. Sweet Grundy's lord and Kizar! Not yet. Not yet. The bonfire thrower is no longer the threat.
Good. I suppose that's my blood.
You look pale, wizard.
They've sent plague monks for us.
Look for the control crystals. It should respond to touch.
Come on, then! There's more room here. Go on, hit me harder! I feel the dark sun reach out for me.
Ooh, that looks painful, Victor.
Grumpy, killing stone, I'm down.
Stay with us, dwarf. Up and at them, dwarf.
Come on, Grimgee, can't you hear them laughing at you?
Help me! Are you blind?
Buah. Haze nolako parte izan dena. Engizkan turrengo partiaekin eta bar, 35. nivelera heldu barko zinateke arazorik gabe.
Another nice day, I don't think.
These deities you call upon are wicked. Why should I not think thee the same?
Believe what you will and chance the consequences. I am beyond such concerns.
Then you admit to thine own damnation?
My eyes are open as never before. I suggest you leave it at that. The Northlanders are breeding trolls down in an abandoned mine. Full points for ingenuity, if not for taste. Still, we can't have the brutish things wandering around, can we? The hard part will be to stop Gorikson cooking the remains. Mark my words.
Well, best we get started. You're all looking a little blue.
Ah, joy. A deep, dark hole. No doubt we'll find much to our liking.
So they're transforming trolls into bile trolls. I wonder if we can turn Saltfire into a human.
Down we go! Wonder what's waiting at the bottom. I'm a doorway. I'll have to do more than that. You call that a shield, Raki?
Mayflies!
Esaten moduan. Gorro dut mapa hau.
Dead! And damn well done!
Ni estego ya.
That's all. That Shrekka there's no match for us. Push, Arakisa.
To me, winds of magic! We'll show that fire rat how it's done!
Lightstorm.
Down here!
Tainted wind. Grant embrace.
Wait for me!
Ah, pues ya la maté.
I hear the Pale Queen.
I shall receive an outcry.
If I die, return me to the soil.
You are needed, Elf. You must not die.
No, not yet.
Your eyes dim, Elf.
Let the heat be obeyed!
Because our heretics take my will down.
I am lost. Lost beyond words.
You seem sluggish, Elf. Can you still fight?
A runner draws near.
Assassin!
Revolting, but it could be worse.
I'll block their path.
They're crafty, but it'll do them no good.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this story.
The wizard proves the wisdom of clemency.
Give a good arm, Gringy. Fire in your
This saws me into your failure, assassin.
We're not done, Dory.
Down here!
Take one! There's a wreckage arm nearby. feeble fire rat. My righteousness burns the brighter. Bring the black powder to the cart.
We're swarming! Be ready! Help me!
Go on! Again! I can try I'll give you one for free!
Don't hold it all, Dwarf! I cannot shoot without ammunition! Back, Master Done!
A wolf fire thrower. We need to kill it.
Won't someone push that damn cart?
Here! Chaos Warriors! I feel the dark thoughts reach up!
We've looked better than
Chaos Warriors shall fall!
The more I take, Slimsky!
I thought this too easy.
Lend me your might!
down in one.
The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
That's a troll lumbering about.
Last effort.
Healing draft.
I need you back in shape to kill things, Elf.
around here.
The unmistakable aroma of Ratman artifice and flame as well.
The wildfire thrower is no longer the threat. This is the path, Dory.
Vengeful Drakira is no one pushing the cart.
Check your aim, Al.
Wait, mind your tongue. Stop showing off. You'll never be as good as us,
Time for fire. They're coming.
I'll draw their attention. Hey, here's where the action is. Is that all you've got?
Motor on askogarria.
A boon for our health. Dead end. Where's your sense of direction? It hurts. Gullickson, you should heal. Flame fire, flame.